Assalamu alaikum everyone, once again welcome back to another video. So this is Raihan Ahmed. Welcome back to our brand new video. So guys, hope you guys are speaking, you guys are practicing. So guys, learn English step by step, speak English with confidence. Many people or a number of people think or they they do think learning English or speaking English is too difficult, but I don't think so. Nothing will facilitate you. Every single day we have to practice. Okay, every day is new opportunity to learn. Every single day I practice, every single day I speak. Okay, every day is a new opportunity to learn. Okay, so guys, I speak every single day. I wake up every single day. I wake up early in the morning and I have come here to practice to speak English. Apart from that, you guys are able to see I am somewhere in the field. There are several cows. They are eating grass. The sky is so cloudy. The birds are singing very sweet. So you guys are able to see there are a lot of birds in the field. Okay, they are flying. Okay, a number of cows. There are a number of players in the field. They're taking preparation to play in the field. So I believe in myself. You should believe in yourself. Nothing will facilitate you. No need to be worried. Never be feel nervous. Never feel shy. Never be afraid of making mistakes. Every mistake teaches me. Every mistake teaches us new. So never be afraid of making mistakes. A man who never make a mistake is the man never does anything. A man who never make a mistake is the man never does anything. Okay, so never be afraid of making mistakes. So guys, every single day I practice, every single day I speak, every single day I practice, because every single day is a new opportunity to learn. Okay, so I learn English, I practice English, I speak English. Every single day I come here to speak English. So nothing will facilitate you. You no need to be fluent, no need to be fast speaker, no need to speak fast. Speak slowly but clearly. Speak slowly, learn surely. So slowly but surely. Okay, so speak slowly but clearly. Learn English every single day. Nothing will facilitate you. You need to be confident. You need confidence. Apart from that, you just all need confidence, because confidence is significant. Confidence is more important than perfection. So you have to practice, you need to practice, okay, because practice make a person confident, okay. So I come here every single day. Apart from that, I wake up every single day. I practice every single day. Afterwards, I speak every single day. I practice every single day. So guys, no need to be worried. You have to practice. You you need confidence. You need to be confident. Speak slowly but clearly. You guys are able to see there are a small player in the field. They come here and they try to understand what I'm trying to say and what I'm speaking or what I'm talking. So they come here and try to understand. So there are a number of boys, a number of players in the field. They come here and they standing and trying to understand something what I am talking about or what I am talking regarding what I am trying to speaking. So guys, দেখা যায়নি মাথা দেখা যায়নি আমার পুরোটা পুরোটা দেখা যায় okay. My front camera isn't working properly, so I'm making video back camera, so it is confusing if I'm visible or not. So guys, I come here every single day. So you guys, there are a number of players in the field. I feel relaxed because the environment is so pleasant, the air is so sweet, it makes me relaxed as well. Afterwards, the sky is so cloudy, it makes me delightful, cheerful as well. So you guys are able to see there are two boys beside me. So what class are you in? তুমি কোন ক্লাসে পড়ো? What class are you in? পড়ো না? কেউ পড়ো না? তুমিও পড়ো না? Oh, you used to study. He used to study. মানে সে আগে পড়তো এখন পড়ে না. So guys, you guys are able to see there are a number of small players. So they used to study. Okay, I am used to speaking, I am used to talking, I am used to practicing. So I don't feel shy, I don't feel nervous. I never be afraid of making mistakes. So guys, the game is start now. You guys are able to see there are a number of players. There are two teams. They will play a match. So guys, we have to practice. Apart from that, we have to practice, we have to speak slowly but clearly. Moreover, we need confidence, we need to be confident, because confidence is more significant than perfection. Furthermore, every single day you have to practice, you have to speak slowly but clearly, slowly but surely. Okay, speak slowly but surely. Day after day, you need to be confident, you need to be fluent. Nothing else, nothing will facilitate you. Only confidence as well as practicing, because practice makes a person perfect. So guys, last of all, I would like to say practice every single day, practice topic, easy conversation, vocabulary, structure as well. So every single day we have to practice, we have to speak slowly but surely. Afterwards, I come here every single day. I come here every single day to practice, to speak, to learn new. So don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about your lessons. You need to be confident. You need confidence. You have to practice every single day. Every single day is new opportunity. Every mistake every mistake is a new way, new path to learn anew. So guys, now today, see you some other time. Do subscribe my channel and practice every single day. So learn English step by step, speak English step by step, speak English with confidence. So see you some other time. Till then, assalamu alaikum.